And in this quick tutorial I will show you how to direct some emails to a folder in a Yahoo Mail, and this is easier than you think. I will show you how to do it manually, but first I will show you how to direct some emails if you recently receive an email from somebody, because this is the easier method. And after that I will show you how to set up this manually. So for now let's create a folder. I have many folders right here. Let's press a new folder and let's name it test folder for the purpose of this video, and press on this enter button to create it, and now I have my folder right here. And as I told you, in case you receive an email recently from somebody and you want to forward all the future emails into that folder from now on from that person, press on his email, and once you've done that, press on these dots and now select filter messages like this and select the folder. I will select the one which we created together, and now I'll press on save. And by any chance, if you haven't received an email from them and you have to do it manually, go to the settings, now press on more settings, go to the filters, select add new filter, filter name, give it any name which you'd like to. At from select the filter criterion, let's select contains, and here enter the person email address, as an example test@yahoo.com, and now at the bottom we'll have to choose a folder to move to. Let's select the same folder, and now I'll press on save, and I have the folder right here. If you want to delete it, all you have to do select it and now press on the trash bin icon, and once again on delete. So this is how to forward, how to direct some emails into a specific folder on Yahoo Mail.